Hello friends, welcome in the second part of recycling operation in dryer. In the last video, I have shown how we'll calculate the quantity of wet solid and quantity of dry solid, as well as how much moisture we have removed from your dried solid. So now in today's video, we will see the rest part. So now here actually the quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air after from this dry is given. And here the quantity of dry air per kg of dried solid. This is also known. So if both these two values we know, then with the help of both these two values, we will find out how much quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air is supplied. So for that, what we are doing the water balance on this dryer, and then we will find out the quantity of the water vapor per kg of dry air in your mixed feed actually. So for that I'll go back in a block diagram, and from here we will find out the quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air in dry. So for that, what we have to do, just see the arrangement of the block diagram. Okay. So now what I'm doing here, we have this quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air. Where is it? We have to find out this quantity, and we have this is okay the quantity of dry air per kg of dried solid. This is in your mixed feed or mixed air. So now from here we have to find out this is water removed. Okay, this is a water removed. So what I'm doing here, I'll take multiply, and this is nothing but this is and the quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air. This is this one. So this will come this side, and here. Okay, this one, and now what we have to do, uh, it is subtract from whatever the moisture is removed from the dryer. So this is your this one, and this is the quantity the moisture removed. This, and then we have to find out how much quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air. So this is again we have to do this one, and this is the quantity is given. This is the quantity of dry air per solid. Okay, this one. So from here, so this is nothing but this is the quantity. Okay, so this is now the quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air. So here we will check up till here. So for that, we have to give 1, and this water vapor, this is it's 40 suppose, and or we will take 60. Quantity of water vapor, this is your 0.06, this is 100, and water is here, this is 8 per kg of dry air. Okay. So now here we know the how much quantity of water vapor per kg of dry air in your mixed air. So now here we will find out here how much recirculation air and how much the quantity of water vapor. So for that actually again we have to apply the water balance at this junction point, and then from here we can find out how much how much quantity of kg of dry air in your fresh air. So if we know the kg of dry air in a fresh air, then we can find out the quantity of water, and then we can find out the total fresh air here. So now we'll see in a block diagram how we can find out the quantity of dry air in your fresh air. So for that, so what we are doing here, I'll just go back and again we have to do some arrangement. So what I'm doing here, so this is the quantity of water vapor, and this is the kg of dry, and this is the quantity of water vapor. Let me check where is it. No, this is okay. So from here, okay, this one, and next we have again. Then what we have to do, we have to do the subtraction, and this is okay. So yes, now from here we'll check how much this quantity is coming. So x minus y. Let me check. It is coming 1.41. Okay. So now from here we have to check how much quantity of water vapor is here. So this is some value, and kg of dry is don't we don't know. So we have to find out. So this is some value. Suppose I take 0.015, 0.012. So here actually, so just wait. Again, I have to take one negative operator, and then this point 2 and quantity of and where is it? The quantity of this water. Yes. So what I'm doing here is, and from here, if I check what the result is coming, so let me check with. Okay, so there is a mistake. So what we have to, so this is the side, and I'll just connect to here. Now let me check what is this. Okay, and then I will take next operator. This is right, and this give you the value, and this value is nothing but this is the quantity of kg of dry air in fresh air. So this is your kg of dry air, kg of dry air in fresh air. So now from here we can find out how much kg of dry air in recycling. So this is the kg of dry air in fresh air. This is and here we have a confusion. So from here we can find out this is a quantity of dry air in mixed air. So now from here we can find out and this is the so this is the kg of dry air in. So now we have all these three data. How much quantity of dry air in recycled air, how much quantity of dry air in fresh air, and how much quantity of dry air in mixture. So once we know all these three quantity, then we can easily find out the total quantity of your fresh air and recycled air and mixed air. So for that, we have to simply first find out the how much quantity of water in fresh air. So to know the quantity of water in fresh air, we have to do again some calculation. So what I'm doing, little bit clear the window. Okay, so now from here, first we'll find out how much the water in the fresh air. So to know the water in the fresh air, we know the kg of dry air in fresh air is here and the kg of dry air in the recycling. So now what I'm doing here, kg of water vapor, kg of dry air and kg of dry air in kg of dry air in fresh air. So from here, okay. So this will give you from here. Actually, I'll just write it. Yes, and this will give you the quantity in the fresh air. So water in. So once we know the water in fresh air, then we'll find out the total fresh air. So this is water in fresh air. So now if we know this one, then we can find out the quantity of fresh air. So for that, So the quantity of fresh air is nothing but water fresh air and kg of water vapor in fresh air. Where is it? Now it is difficult to know. So from here we can find it. Okay. So this one, and from here we can find out the dry air. So the kg of dry air in fresh air. This a kg of dry air. Okay. So now let me check what the result is coming. So now we'll check how much value is coming. This is okay. So now we can say the quantity of the fresh air in kg is available with us. Same this way, we can find out the quantity of recycling here. So for that again, we'll do the same thing here to find out the quantity of recycling. So for that, what we have to do, this is the kg of dry air in the recycle, and so for again I have to take one multiply, and this is your okay. So this is a kg of dry air and kg of where is it? I have to remove it. So quantity of water vapor. Okay. So this is nothing but quantity of water in the recycling. So quantity of water in the recycling, where is it? Quantity of water in the recycling. Okay. So from here we'll see the quantity of water in the recycling. Now I'll just check how much this value is coming. Okay, so this is coming 4.116. Okay. Now if we know this value, then we can find out the total quantity. So for that, again, I will go back and add. This is quantity of water in recycling and the quantity of dryer in the recycling. So I'll simply connect to this one, and this is your quantity of. So where is the quantity of recycled air? This one. So now again we have to check. Okay. So now from here we can see we have find out all the important data which is required here. Now based on this data we can do more calculation, or we can do find out the more parameter which is demanding by the some examiners.